Good morning, everybody. Dr. Arthur J. D'Antonio here. Background is in biomechanics, kinesiology, exercise physiology. It's a beautiful Father's Day here, June. And what I'd like to say at this point is that I'd like to give you a little itinerary of where we're going with our YouTube videos. One of our thoughts here now is to give you a progressive idea of what it's like to train drug-free. I want to emphasize at this point that training drug-free is an entirely different world. We are totally departed from whatever other crap you've seen out there that is indicated in training. All the glorious pictures, all the glossed up Photoshop stuff, all the compendium of drugs that's being used. And you can at this point remember one thing that I'll always say: you don't buy drugs, you rent them, because you will be back. And Mother Nature always will enact her force at some time or another. So our thoughts in all of these videos is to give you a representation of how to do exercises appropriately. You know, form is the god here. We want to keep form as efficient and as appropriate as possible so that we can make the kind of gains that we want. We don't have the opportunity to allow the drugs to take us to a special place. We can't skip over things. These are the shortcuts that will come back to haunt you later on. In our world, we're going to have to pay attention to form. We're going to have to pay attention to frequency and load and how much volume and recovery time and appropriate eating, because food is medicine in this case, and if we eat appropriately, we're going to be able to make the gains that we really want, which are going to be incremental. I want to emphasize that, but we're still going to be able to do the things that we want in the future if we put those things in order, and they will be appropriate to those. We're going to give you different people of different body types doing exercises and how they affect them. We are going to be showing you how to increase your physical preparedness and your conditioning. We are going to talk about the realm of nutrition and its application to what you do, because it's an old tired statement, but you are what you eat. There's no doubt about it. And then we're going to work a little bit too on my own rehab on a hip that is giving me some issues. So we're going to have to be able to take a look at how far we can go in that realm. We're going to be very forthcoming with you. We're going to be very honest with you to a fault, because I think that's something that's left all of this online crap. So what I want to do is I want to make sure that you have a good understanding of what we give you and its ability to apply it to yourself and make the gains that you want. Look, I'm looking forward to doing good things for you. And I'm also looking forward to you, if you need be, to contact me. I'm at Body Maintenance Precision Training, 1720 Culver Road in Rochester, New York. Or you can contact me online. But what we're going to do is we're setting up a brand new website, and through that website you will be able to contact us, and we'll have that for you in the near future. If not, give me a ring at 585-325-2639. I'd be happy to talk to you about the simplest things. If we needed to get into more overt programming, or we need to set things up, then we can make arrangements to do that also. Also in the future, we'll have the capacity to Skype and maybe review your workouts and see how they are coming in your new home environments. A lot of people are home now because of this suspected virus. The virus is the leading demon, but the culprit is ourselves. We've got to create better immune systems. If we create better immune systems, screw all the viruses in the world. Okay, Dr. Art D'Antonio here. Hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.